So this playlist covers the whole of the intermediate maths mathematical challenge, the paper 1999. Quite a long time ago now. It still has really valuable questions in it. That the questions and the way that they're written is very similar and has stayed very similar since they were first produced, since these past papers in 1999. So today we are looking at the 99 paper. Things to note here, these are quite tricky. 1 hour, but I suggest when you're doing practice, you take a little bit longer if you need it. Don't worry that you're taking longer than 1 hour. Practice is not about doing the actual thing. It's about giving it a go. You're not allowed calculators, you're not allowed measuring instruments, so no rulers, no compasses, no protractors. Here you must be in year 11, which is 16 or 17. If you're in Scotland, S4, Northern Ireland, year 12 or below. But as I say, it's age 16 or 17. Don't expect to finish the paper in 1 hour. Concentrate on those first questions 1 to 15. 5 marks for each of the questions 1 to 15. 6 marks for 16 to 25. But different from some of the other papers that we might do on this class, if you get a question 16 to 20 wrong, then you lose 1 mark. If you get questions 21 to 25 wrong, you lose 2 marks. So after questions 16 through to 25, don't just guess. On the actual competition paper, I would love you to give it your best guess when you're practicing though. And for this reason, I don't actually deduct points. So when I send you the check sheet, I'm not trying to deduct points from you. I'm giving you that opportunity to try as many questions as you can. You don't have to take 1 hour and a half, 2 hours to do it. If you want to stop at 1 hour, that's absolutely fine. I know your learning would benefit from giving it that bit extra time to see if you can answer or attempt or at least read every question on the paper so that you can pick and choose which questions you want to answer. I do always give you the opportunity and I say which questions I think you would, it would be good to tackle. They're questions that I more enjoy, they're questions that I found easier to understand and to unpick. They may not be the questions that you understand and unpick, so you pick the ones, you read the questions and you pick the ones to do that you feel most comfortable answering. Have a go. I look forward to seeing what your answers are for this paper. And as ever, I am here if you need anything. Just message me, video me, whatever. I'm here for whatever you need. So have a go with that paper. Let me know how you get on. Bye bye for now.